Welcome. I'll be showing you how to use Bixby on your Samsung phone. Here I have two Samsung phones, one with the Bixby button, the S9 Plus, and one without the Bixby button, the Galaxy Z Flip. First, you'll need to know how to open up Bixby. I'll be starting with the S9 Plus, which has the Bixby button. Simply press the Bixby button to open up Bixby. If pressing it just once doesn't work, try double pressing it. If this is the first time opening up Bixby, you'll have to set it up real quick, which takes about a minute. Now let's see how to open up Bixby on a device without the Bixby button. Go to your apps and look for it in your app list. If you don't see Bixby, simply type it in the top search bar and it will appear. Tapping on the app will open up Bixby. A more convenient method to open up Bixby is to go into the Settings, Advanced Features, SIDEKEY. Here you can configure the power button to open up Bixby with a double press or to wake Bixby up with a press and hold. So now that Bixby is enabled, you can talk to Bixby simply by pressing and holding the Bixby button. What's the weather today?
Today, it is sunny with a high of 88 degrees and a low of 57 degrees.
And letting go after saying your entire command to Bixby. Tell me a joke.
Why do pool cleaners post such great photos? They know their way around a filter.
Now let's go ahead and set up Voice Wake Up in Bixby. Open up the Bixby app. Go to Settings. Tap on Voice Wake Up and turn it on. If you turn on Use While Phone Locked, then Bixby will be able to talk to you even while the phone is locked. Let's go ahead and try that out. Now we can talk to Bixby simply by saying, "Hi Bixby, I'm done recording."
Alright, Do Not Disturb is now turned off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.